Welcome to my channel Shaurya's Knowledge Hut. Today we will talk about new notes by RBI which were launched in 2016. First is the 2000 rupee note. It has Mangalyaan behind it. Second is the 500 rupee note which has Red Fort behind it. Third is the 200 rupee note which has Sanchi Stupa behind it. Fourth is the 100 rupee note which has Rani Ki Vav behind it. Fifth is the 50 rupee note which has Vitthal Temple Hampi behind it. Sixth is the 20 rupee note which has Ajanta and Ellora caves behind it. And last note is the 10 rupee note which has Konark Sun Temple behind it. So some common things are each note has the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, the sign of the governor, and it has it written that I promise to pay the bearer the sum of dash rupees. So friends, if you like the video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice